Xyz don't have levels, they have ranks.
Right.
Yeah, but
That's why I use harmonic waves.
Make it.
Yeah.
You convert a rank to a level?
Yeah, it says harmonic waves. Change target one monster, that monster becomes a level 4.
That's how you could get like a beast that's Yugioh. Like you could like these two monsters with zombies, and then use and then like if you have the zombie world out, use Painter. Make those two these monsters zombies or the level
cards you run?
and then you overlay those
41.
two. Now you have a Gachi with 6 materials.
Yeah.
No, but because even if say I have Utopia and I have 1 material, I change it to level 1, I overlay with it still, I think it loses the material.
It doesn't lose material.
Hey, I got
Doesn't lose material?
Hey, I got 2 versions of Yugioh.
Everything becomes material.
Oh, so if I have a Utopia with a material, I just change it with complete overlays. I change it to level 4. I have another level 4 overlay with it. Now I just have another.
Hey, if I was
Utopia with
collecting
more
these, if I was collecting
Yeah.
these, the Ghost Rider would all be all I need to complete my collection for these.
Oh, my friend has a Ghost Rider.
Oh, nice.
Here's some.
That's fine.
But since I'm using them, I don't need to collect a Ghost Rider because 2 Neo Galaxies is all.
See the middle?
And on top of that, I got one as an ultimate and one as an ultra rare.
It's in the middle.
Yeah.
The middle card.
She's pretty good. I don't know. I have a bunch of her. I don't really need
Hey
to.
Dave, you have a restroom?
Yeah, it's in the back over
Yeah.
there. It's in the back over there. Yeah.
This card.
So how do you like my heretics?
Well, there it is. I'm just waiting till they remake Shiny Black Sea.
Shiny Black Sea.
Yeah, it's if it's in the graveyard, if one of the synchro monster is synchro, you banish it and you destroy the synchro monster.
I have one of those. Not on me, but it's in like the rest of my trades.
In the game's selling, right?
I
Or
agree.
No, it just destroys.
yeah, but what if you have Stardust Dragon out and for example, R3 Zombie Skull, then it cannot this effect won't work.
It would have been better if it said banish it.
Close to your hand?
Synchro monster
No.
banish that.
Should just build.
Yeah, that'll be a bypass. That'll be the perfect bypass for that.
I don't know. Like, dude, I can use this.
Well, like I said, I don't really need that, but like, that's for like when they set stuff. Like if it's a Spirit Reaper, it kills it. If it's a Marshmallow, it runs over it.
No, I don't know. You just keep attacking it, and you just when you have 0 attacking, you just keep hitting it.
Yeah, you run over it.
For a tribute.
Oh, but they're making it negate, right? Yeah, well, I guess I'll hold on to this
I would appreciate it if you didn't roll these things in my direction.
Summon. Ride.
That's fine.
Strike. So 21. Yeah.
That's my buff.
Wait,
That's right.
trader.
Scan the pixel match.
Go ahead.
Good. Just a little closer.
Attack.
Be captivated by my ability.
Ride. And
This is amazing! Never seen anything like
attack.
it. They're also incredibly strong.
Who are these guys? They're using hollow powers like each
And
What do you think? You have to admit we've gotten pretty skilled with holification, haven't we?
Go.
Come on,
I
sus.
hate how they made another useless beast. Like really completely. Like this guy.
I like that guy.
He's like, why would you use him if you could just use Strike Drake? The only thing cool about him is he's like the other, he continue to joggle with whatever strike thing is. It would be better if they made another sync. If they made a synchro.
What are you talking about? Yes, but I was trying to slice off everything above your left eye. still intact, I don't consider that a
What are
hit.
those?
Listen
Just
to how
some common
confident
stuff
you
like
are.
that some gave me.
From your reaction, it must really bother you. Knowing that I'm the one who is going to kill you. Komamura.
Allow me to assist you, Master Visitor.
Take it.
I don't know, pal. Are you sure you want to get involved and help an outcast like me?
How much is Ian?
I don't know. Now that I see you clearly, I think you and I might have quite a bit in common.
What did they do?
Music that I saw.
You basically serve the aqua monster
Without hesitation.
control attack the defense position of
Picker?
piercing.
You convince me that you're on our side.
That's fine.
So like, it would be better if it was like in the last game.
Let me see your middle.
I fight with you.
The other
There's no
one.
point objecting.
They're making too much random stuff that doesn't go with the
Purple.
archetypes to help develop the water
I
types.
don't know what to say to
So
shit.
they're trying to make it like completely random.
Thanks for sharing your thoughts with
Attack.
everyone, Komamura.
This doesn't die.
I guess you have a point.
And
Not destroy with this effect. Change shark's effect. Change.
I suppose I should thank you for the help, although I'm still not sure exactly whose side you're on.
So, use them with
Let's make this clear to you.
try to use them to get Excalibur. Then once you have Excalibur, you gain the speed just 3,000, and then if you touch all the materials, you do have a 6,000 beat stick right there. Because when you
Here's
use your
6,000,
material,
go ahead.
the monster uses a 1,000.
pot.
Use it for Utopia, you just have now you have a 35 Utopia.
Remember, the enemy of your enemy
Or will
is
Scalibur
likely to
become?
be your
Will it
ally.
become
Reason
5,000?
enough to join forces.
5,000?
Because it doubles the original attack.
Oh.
I suppose
So
you're
that's
right.
pretty good. Unless you use 2 of these.
Oh, so no, it's 20, Excalibur's 2,000, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So if you use 2 of these, then it becomes 6,000.
But the problem is, like, this guy's really weak though. You only get it if you just summon him right then and there, and then you overlay. Unless they're gonna have something special, so you get your special hand and then you overlay.
That's why they changed the name of
It's said to be one of the men
Oh, that's where they filmed most of the episodes.
The fact is, there's a more compelling reason. Everything's
You're
linked to their
inactivating?
basic instinct
No.
for survival. There's a large body of research that shows it's at those times when spiritual unions are at their most. Why did you smack me in the head?
Because we're all finished talking about that subject. So step off your pedestal and start focusing your energy on the problem at hand. Take a look. Does he bother you at all?
Tell me something.
Why don't you
take off your masks
Pretty good.
of a fight?
We can only wear them for 3 minutes at a
That's how you
time.
protect this guy.
It's a trade-off for being a hero.
So he's supposed to wear it as long as he wants.
No, he's got a limit on each one standard. It's based on his will.
Mystical. That's just
And actually, out of all of them, she's actually
attach. That should be game.
Yeah.
so she can speak first.
You're at 2,000.